Let's bet, so we've got here. We need to watch out into the plane. Okay, guys, how are we doing in the plane? Are there many in there?
Go, go, go.
Hey, watch out into the ridge, guys!
Move together, move together.
Okay, we're clearing down here! Think about where your troops are. Okay.
Feel right.
Alright, guys, move forward.
Those blues.
Clear up here.
I nearly fucking shot him. Yeah, there's one more. Same location. They're still in that same location behind that pallet where the other one went out. No, I'm going to go down.
Surprise! Yeah, he's dead. Right, okay, boys. Right, our objective. Oh, it's the quote. Right, move.
You got 4 straight ahead of your location. We're trying to get some cover and fire to cross over. Watch your head, watch your head.
Okay, Sister Senny. Alright, I have a kill zone through here.
You've got 2 blues to your left over.
What? Probably somebody's got a gas gun. I know about wind.
Blue coming up. You alright, mate?
Yeah, it's alright. So they're not hitting me direct.
Hit!
Alright, hit!
Dead man! Dead man!
You should see how I ran through there.
I just wonder if we can't keep pushing on this ridge.
Yeah, if you've got the people.
Well, we've got a few here. Just watch the right flank of the quarry, look.
Yeah, that's it.
Where is the flag in the quarry?
We've had it. It's chucked down somewhere. Can you see anyone there?
In front of me by the pipe. He doesn't know you're there, so stay there. He might run on me in a minute.
Roger.
And now he will, because he's... Get your gun up, he's just throwing a flashbang in there. Put your head gun up now if you can, he's just stood up.
Too far. Nearly got there. Hit! Dead man!
A single shot. But it just will not do that.
Keep pushing. Keep pushing, try and move. Doesn't matter if it's keep put the head down.
He's out.
Hey, he's gone.
Move, keep moving.
Keep moving.
Well held, mate.
Weapons up in case there's another guy there. Right, let's keep both corners now of this mound. Okay. Hey!
Good shot, bud. Which flags have we got? We've got the quarry.
No, yes. Got the quite. The only one you've not got is the prison.
Oh, right. Oh. I might as well go this way then.
And they're dead now.
We did have the quarry right up to the man. We've got the quarry flag. Yeah, yeah. We just need the prison. Just. No, no, no.
Prison, mate.
Yeah, yeah. We've just got to get the prison.
Realise. Right, okay. There we go. So now we can't go round, they'll be sitting along the bridge.
We've got about 5 minutes. Blue behind.
Down, it's on the well.
There's only one
One behind the pipes as well.
There is how you get up.
I thought the flag was up there.
Where is he?
There's one behind the pipes, one behind the well.
One's gone.
Well's gone, just one behind the pipes. Fuck him. Come out! Bang, bang, bang! Allahu Akbar!